What's up guys, Retro Django here. Today we're going old school Commodore 64. This brick bean shaped in white was my first Commodore 64 as a little kid, my first computer. Love this one. I mean, this is my favorite, okay? All the memories are here. Okay, this version set chip and everything for me. But today we're going old school. In 2022, we use stuff like this, the Ultimate 1541-2 Plus with wings and all stuff like that. And we emulate drives and it works awesome on the Commodore 64. You can use Raspberry Pi, you can use Kung Fu, you can use SD2IEC, all sort of stuff, all the names, you know how it is. Just put them back here and it works great. We all love it. But in this video, we're just going to go old school because I've got different Commodore 64 game boxes, but my favorite game, I don't know if I should call it box, but game for the Commodore 64 is Commando. I love Commando. Commodore 64 disc. Nice. Now, did it come like this or was it in a box? I don't know. This feels cheap, but guys, how cool is this? I mean, I love this little box, and we actually have the game over there, number 8. There we go. The music on this game. Now, some Amiga games, a few Amiga games, is actually not as good as on the Commodore 64. If I want to play Gianna Sisters, I prefer it on the Commodore 64. If I want to play Commando, I prefer it on the Commodore 64 compared to the Amiga. I'm usually a 16-bit guy. I love the Amiga. That's where my passion is. But this is my first computer, guys. You know how it is. And this game, the music, it's better than arcade cabinet game and better than everything else on the Commodore 64. Gameplay is amazing, music is amazing, and this box is so special for me. So today we're going to load a game the old way and enjoy this. Let's just take a look inside here. We have Commando from Elite, the original disc here, Commando, Commodore 64, load, blah blah, 81. We have got this beautiful manual inside. Isn't that great, guys? I love this. So, how do we load this? Well, like this, or we can go all the way back and use one of these. Let's open this box and take a closer look inside. Alright, so look at this beauty. These boxes, they have been, they're new remakes of them. You can buy these boxes brand new, different sellers, I don't remember, but search for it and you will find it, okay? This box is the original from Commodore from back then. It's old, guys. It's, I don't know, about 40 years old. The Commodore 64 1541-2 disk drive. 170 kilobytes, man, compatible with C Commodore 128 and C64 Commodore 64. So it runs with both drives, and this one doesn't include burst mode. That will run with the 128. That will read much faster, but this one was just epic, guys. So let's just open it. And you know, as a kid, I didn't have the money for this. I mean, my Commodore 64 had a data set, and we had cassettes. I mean, I only knew one guy from the schoolyard. His big brother had a disk drive, and that was actually the 1541, not even the -2, the original old one that had the built-in PSU that ran so hot. I mean, look at this, guys. This is just Commodore back with, what is this? 1541 test and demo disc. I mean, look at this. Everything original. Everything is just beautiful Commodore 64 disk drive. Oh, man. Looks absolutely astonishing. Yeah, great stuff. Let's just go in here. I mean, look at this. Now, I mean, look at this serial cable here. I mean, power cable, guys. So this model had the PSU external, which was a great solution because the old version ran really hot. So this one is much smaller, much more reliable, runs cold. Oh man, it still had that bubbly. Should I pull it out? Oh, just leave it, man. Has it been opened? No, look at this. Yeah, from 1987. Man, this is beautiful. Yeah, let's just plug this one in and see if it works. Wow, I'm speechless. I mean, 40 years old. Think about that, guys. Almost. Before we connect the drive, I'm just gonna tell you a few things. Now, the Commodore 64 had 2 joystick ports, just like on the Amiga. But on the Commodore 64, I mean, there were maybe 10,000 games. And some of the games played on joystick port 1, other played on joystick port 2. So when I was a little kid, I was just switching between those ports. It was so irritating. But today, I have got the best joystick for the Commodore 64. This beautiful quick shot joystick. Why do I love it? It has switches. It reminds me of the arcade gaming. It has got built-in auto fire. It works with Commodore, with Atari, and all sort of other stuff. And the cool part is this joystick has got 2 cables, one for port 1, one for port 2. So this is a turbo review of this joystick. And if the game requires port 1, you will just leave it down here. And if it's port 2, you will just do this and it will run as port 2 joystick and port 1 again. I love this. So this is my turbo review of this joystick. I love it. Before I'm gonna connect this, I'm gonna show you to the left. There, you can see I'm using a brand new PSU for the Commodore 64. I don't trust the old PSUs. They're filled with epochs. You can't recap them, no nothing. And buy these, they cost, what was it, 20 or 30 bucks, and they're great. Okay, so we have got that PSU. That PSU gives power to the Commodore 64, but you can actually connect another cable, this cable, to the same PSU that will provide power to the 1541-2. So I'm not gonna even bother measuring and trying this one's brand new old stock PSU. I don't want to test it. I don't want to risk burning the chips inside here. So that PSU will never be used, never. So I'm gonna just give it some quality power from that power supply. And as I can see, the cable is still, you know, everything looks new. So I'm just gonna use this serial connect cable. So what did we do back then? Actually, these drives were really expensive, especially earlier, the 1541. I mean, they have got everything inside that the Commodore 64 also has. It can, how should I say it? It gets the command to read something, but it has got its own CPU inside and all sort of stuff. I don't want to go into details, but maybe in another video. That's why they were so expensive. So we use these serial cables here to there. So let me just connect it and let's load Commando without you know, a cartridge like a fast loader or turbo loader, ABC turbo, stuff like that. Just clean. How long did it take to load a game? Okay, everything is connected. The light is on here. And this is really the old school way. We had these floppy disks that were floppy. Oh man, it's nice. Actually, this is how Commodore 64 boxes were like. I mean, look at this. Advanced Dungeons and Dragons, Dragons of Flame, a Dragonlance action game. Great stuff. So let's just load comma 8, comma 1. Oh. What was that? List 2 seconds, guys. 1 block? That's weird. Something's wrong here. Babe. What? No. 1 block only? That's weird. Wait, let's just try something else here. Right. Just a second. Oh, and inside here we have got Robo Kid. Robo Kid. Captain Blood. Dragonlance. Oh, there we go. Advanced Dungeons and Dragons. Oh! Oh my goodness. Okay, we are going to listen to one of the greatest Commodore 64 soundtracks ever. How was it, man? Like this and come in. Right? Right. All right. No turbo card inserted. This one is just loading as a original Commodore 64. What? We run that. All right. Genesis proudly presents Unlimited Lives. No. What is this? Do you want to see in sequence now? No, I don't. I want to play the game. All right, guys. So while it's loading Golden Axe, we're going to check this one. If you want to format your disk, you have to write open 1815 disk 1A and close. And if it's the other side, you have to write 2B if you want to switch the disk here. Then you will format a Commodore 64 disk. Isn't that just beautiful? And while it's loaded, I mean, this is in real time. I'm not gonna edit nothing. You're just going to see what we went through for 40 years ago, 30 years ago. How long time we had to wait. So that's why all these new Ultimate 1541s, they're just so great. But this, I mean, I will, after this video, I don't think I will ever use this. I will just pack it in its new original box. Looks nice, but I'm not gonna use it because I use the Ultimate 1541 Ultra thingy. But these old discs, I mean, these old boxes, they're still magical, guys. I like them. Look at the front side. And it's still loading. I'm still waiting. Wow, man. Look at this. Oh, that music. And if I had a cartridge with some fast loader, it will go much faster than this. But I mean, here you can see how long time we should wait back then, guys. But still, it was an amazing experience. Death Adder. Oh man, this is great. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Jerry Untel, he was also a subscriber on my YouTube channel. Dude, I love all your music on the Commodore 64. I still enjoy them. Great stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this and found out about how long time it took for us for loading a game. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. I'm off for now. I'm gonna enjoy this game, and I hope you will turn on your Commodore 64s now and check out this game also. So up with the volume and enjoy everything. Have a great day out there. Retro Django out.